Hello and welcome to our exotic fruit farm in Costa Rica. This is the top corner. You can see there a biribao or Rolinea deliciosa tree. That was our fence line, and the farm is about 200 meters down along this road. Most of the trees along the frontage here are actually palm trees on purpose so they don't obstruct the views. This pink flowered vine on the fence is what's called coral vine. The small tree with the reddish leaves there is lovi lovi, which is a sour fruit, but should make pretty good equivalent of cherry pie. Here's our actual driveway entrance. We're going down here and see our front gate. Down that direction is 1 more kilometer to the Rio Diamante. This farm is actually called Estación Experimental Quinta Diamante, named after the Diamante River. There's our front gate. Beside the front gate we actually have the best cacao tree on the farm. We'll see some of the fruits here. You can see the one, possibly see the one on in there getting yellow or two. Yes. This is actually the best producing cacao tree on our farm. It's resistant to the monilla fungus, which wiped out a lot of the cacao here. And we can see the also lovi lovi on the other side with some pejevalle or thornless peach palm there. Over here towards the right is our patch of pitaya or dragon fruits. These are actually grown from seed. We've eaten our first 4 fruits this year. 4 years from seed, grown on posts. As we can probably see on in there, they're grown in tires with the sides cut out, filled with dirt, with a layer of rocks on top to help control weeds. We'll go inside here. This is our main road into our house area, with coconuts and date palms on the 2 sides. There's our neighbor's house. He works for me. That's their dog. Okay, we'll go up here. This is a giant crinum lily. We'll see some more with better flowers up close. There's one of the flower stalks on the ground, but it's getting old. Okay, these are the dragon fruit. As you can see, there's a tire down here with soil in it. I have 3 or 4 vines on each post. These are teak branch posts, which were cheap, relatively cheap and available. Here's one fruit here that's getting about ready to eat. You can see it here. This is the very first fruit of this plant that we expect to be more later. This plant over here, we've already eaten a fruit off of it, and it has 1 more down here. This will be turning red soon. And here's one that's starting to turn red on the top. I have like 4 different varieties of these normal dragon fruit. Some of them are red inside, some of them are white. I also have golden yellow, which will be white inside. I have a big variety of fruits, which we won't be able to see them all. I have Brazil nuts in the 2 Brazil nuts and another one up above. This is peanut butter fruit, which tastes pretty much like peanut butter and jelly in a little fruit. A little small plum-shaped fruit. The crop is already past, so we ate a lot of them. This is some of my bigger date palms. These are actually from seed from Iran. Thank you, Iran. We hope they produce here. On the other side, here is more dragon fruit from seed grown in tires, but to use the space along there, I have kiwi fruit, which we don't know if we're going to produce here, but we'll definitely try them. Here we can see the thornless pejevalles. I have about 25 of them. Mostly as an improvement program. We're going to select the best and replant. But compared to normal super thorny pejevalles, these are a breath of fresh air. You can actually hug them. And around lots of these palms, we have the system of planting 6 pineapple plants in the sides that we cut out of the tires, which work very good as protectors and markers. Okay, you may have noticed along the side of the driveway here, we have these old posts. Okay, These actually have orchids planted on them. These are hybrid Vanda orchids, and I'll tell you more about them later.